Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Buki's World YouTube channel. To my old subscribers, thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel, and to anyone that will come across my YouTube channel, please subscribe, like, share, tell your friends and families about my YouTube channel. Today I'm making this yummy delicious donut. Stay tuned guys and watch. In here I have 4 cups of flour. I'll be adding my yeast and my nutmeg, my sugar, combine all together well. I will be adding my liquid milk, stir all together. I'll be adding 2 eggs and mix all together again. Please check the description box to get the full recipe and measurements. Now I'll be adding my butter, salt. I'll be mixing all together with my hand blender. You can also call this kneading. Make sure you mix very well for 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. I was supposed to make sure I mix my dry yeast with my warm milk before adding it to the flour, but I added everything. I added the dry yeast directly to the flour. It's actually my first time of trying this. I just felt I should try something new, and guys, I must say it came out so beautiful. Everything, the flour rose well and everything was nice. So now everything is ready. You can see the dough is very nice. It's looking nice. So guys, I'll be sprinkling some flour on my working board, on my workboard. Note, do not knead your dough again. We have done that before with the hand blender. I'm just trying to make sure everything comes together well by giving it a little bit of massaging. So you don't need to knead. Please do not knead. I'm just trying to make the dough come together and be in a circular form. You get it? So I'll be transferring the dough here, and I'm trying to brush the bowl with a little bit of oil. Cover it this way and keep aside. Please do not keep this in the refrigerator, unlike making meat pie dough, you know. So our dough is ready after 40 minutes, and I'll be punching it to release the gas. Sprinkle some powder on the board. Please do not mix the dough. Just let it come together. Do not need. Now I'll be dividing my dough. I will be rolling it into a round shape. I do not have a professional round cutter to cut the middle, so I'm making use of a bottle water, an empty bottle water in my house, and it came out. I just felt I should try it, maybe it's gonna work, and it came out so perfect, guys. You can see it. Yeah, I decided to make something nice, a nice shape. So just to satisfy my daughter, it's actually a demand from my daughter. So I felt I should do something nice, something unique instead of the common round donut. So guys, everything is ready, so we're gonna be frying this. I can't wait for this to get done. I'm gonna be leaving this for extra 15 minutes to rise again. In a pan, I'll be adding enough oil for frying our. Please make sure the oil is not too hot. So guys, our donut is ready, everything is ready. Yes, look at it. I love it. Very brown. So you can take this with coffee, with milk, with tea, with you can as well take it with nice juice, cold chilled juice, you know. And to my surprise, it came out very fluffy. Yes guys,